How you doing, Mike? Innovative Garage Door. We just replaced 2 panels here. That's right, only 2. See that crease? From the outside, I'll show you why we only did 2, and I got it to work. And I'll show you how, and maybe tell you how. But you don't always need the amount of panels that get hit to be replaced. Most times you do. This time, homeowner was very grateful that they didn't, but bottom section, number 2 panels new. That one we left. I'll take you to the outside here and show you. There's the bottom panel creased. The other panels in the van here, that's a real nice crease right there. And then on the outside, you can see here there's a scratch there, and it was definitely buckled. You could see that. And the other panel, let's see if I can lift this up here and show you. Yeah, you could see on the outside right there, there's a nice big crease in it. So that's why we did 2 panels here. You can see the match is perfect with the coloring. And there's your 3rd panel. Nothing. Okay? No damage whatsoever on the outside of that section, so we decided to do just 2. Homeowner will love me for that. We're going to adjust the bottom stripping right there when we're done, the side seal, and get it to seal up. So we replaced 2 panels on the CHI Accents 5983 garage door we did. Now we did this subdivision here probably a few years ago, and you could see we did all those right here, those guys over there, and there's like I think 4 more at the end we're going to do in a couple weeks or whatever, but there's that. We'll take you back to the inside. And we got it back on. I got some extra screws and hardware in that hinge, and here sucking it down, and then the same thing here. We went sucked it up and then pushed it down. That track is slightly bent. I'm going to replace that in a moment with that track right there. Even though it's just a moderate bend that I'd be able to reuse somewhere else. Not a big, I'm just going to give her a new one. That's it. So when you need sections replaced, give us a call at 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, drop a comment, drop a like. We'll answer questions for you, whatever we can, help you out. Thanks for watching our we replaced 2-section garage door video, and as always I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our video.